Hey, what's up guys, it's Jordan and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. I have been on a roll lately, like I'm proud of myself. I've been filming, I've been motivated. So I have another hair video for you guys. As you can see, got the natural hair out today. Also, disclaimer, these dogs are not moving. They're just gonna be here. They're clingy, they're attached to me, so just enjoy them, honestly. They're fun to watch. So today's video is going to be on the Extreme Wetline Gel. I've heard a lot of good things about this gel. People are saying it's like the best gel on the market and it gives you the best wash and goes and stuff like that. So I figured, why not try it? This gel was only like $2-3 at Walmart. So they had a bigger one, but I decided I would get the small one because if I don't like it, like why spend all that money, you know? So my hair is right now washed and deep conditioned, and it's been sitting in a bun for like a half an hour now. So I don't have anything too crazy product wise. I'm using some Garnier Fructis leave-in conditioner. I'm probably gonna use a little bit of this conditioner as well. This is regular conditioner. I don't think there's a problem with using regular. Can y'all go? I don't see a problem with leaving real conditioner in your hair. Like, what's really gonna happen? So I'm gonna use some of that as well, and then of course I'm gonna use the gel and some coconut oil on top. So this is my hair, freshly washed and deep conditioned. My hair shrinks super bad, like the shrinkage is so real. Ain't got shit on the trappers I seen. Ain't none of these niggas got nothing on me. Gassed up, still running on me. There you are, still running from me. Don't wanna stay, but it's hard for you to leave. Okay, so I'm just gonna work in sections, applying the conditioners. And now I'm gonna apply the gel, and I am probably gonna go ham with the gel, especially in my back section because this is the tightest part of my hair. My curls are super small in this section. Still running from me, don't wanna stay, but it's hard for you. So that's how my back section is looking. I'm gonna just keep moving and keep applying the products in the same order, and yeah. All right, so I'm gonna apply some Garnier Fructis. Now I'm gonna apply some of this Manuka Honey conditioner by Shea Moisture. And now I'm gonna apply the gel. Okay, this is one side done. I'm gonna do this side and then I will be right back. Why it's so hard for you to love me? Why it's so hard for you to trust me? Always some yes, always some yes, always something. Why it's so hard for you to fuck with me? Keep getting this feeling you don't fuck with me. Feelings that you don't give a fuck about me. I can't believe. Okay guys, so I just finished applying all the products to my hair, and this is how it's looking. It's super defined. Like, this definition is crazy. My hair is super shrunken right now because it defined every single curl, so they're just like yeah. So I'm just gonna let my hair air dry, and I'm not sure if I'll be back today or tomorrow to show you guys the results of my hair dried, but I will definitely be back to you guys to show you guys how my hair looks when it's completely dry and fluffed. And yeah. Alright guys, so it's the next day and my hair is completely dry. And this is how it looks. It looks really, really good. My hair is actually pretty soft. It's not too crunchy. So this is how my hair is looking. So to sleep, I just used some scrunchies and banded my hair to stretch it out a bit because my hair shrinks up a lot. So I wanted to kind of elongate my curls. So this is how it looks. I just like wrapped scrunchies around it like this, just to stretch out my curls a bit. So my final thoughts on this gel is that it's honestly amazing. It has like super good hold. It's super moisturizing. My curls were like so shiny and juicy looking, so that's definitely a plus. Also, this has no alcohol in it, so it's not going to leave your hair feeling all dry and brittle. I have not had any like flakes or residue so far, so that's a good sign as well. Yeah, I really have no complaints about this gel. It was very, very good. Left me with minimal frizz. Like there was barely any frizz at all in my hair, but from breaking the seal it kind of frizzed up a little bit, but I like that look. I'd rather that than my curls to look like super crunchy. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is how my wash and go turned out, and I only used 4 products: leave-in conditioner, regular conditioner, coconut oil, and a WETLINE Extreme Gel. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. And make sure you turn on the bell so you know when I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
Keep on fucking around, fuck it, I leave. Ain't got shit on the troubles I seen. Ain't none of these niggas got nothing on me. Got stuff niggas still running on me. Here you are.